Hello and welcome back to The Wandering Wind. I want to talk today about my favorite new browser of 2020, the Brave browser. Now, Brave is actually the browser that rethinks the way the web works. Now, every time that you think about an advertiser, you think about how your data is sold to the highest bidder, and then they use that data to sell more ads to you and more ads and more. It's a never-ending cycle. But the Brave browser is actually truly faster and safer than any other browser on the market. In fact, it's also faster, works better, and pays you for the ads that you choose to watch. Let me tell you something. Let me show you a bit more about it. So, with the Brave browser, you can actually load pages 3 to 6 times faster. Now, this is a speed test that they did on the 3 biggest browsers of the day. And I will go ahead and actually maximize this so you can see it. So, the Brave browser loads a page in 4 seconds. Chrome loads the page in about, I'd say probably it's going to end up 12 seconds, 13 seconds, and then Firefox takes about 20 seconds for the same pages. There are so many, there's so many different things that Chrome and Firefox load up in the background, like trackers and ads and everything else. The Brave browser does none of that. You can actually load up a page in half the time that it takes to load any other page on the internet. Switching is also easy because Brave is built on the bones of Chrome using the Chromium open source language. You can actually directly import your settings, your browsing history, even your passwords and other things from Chrome into your Brave browser. And that is a great thing because this will take you away from the Google environment, taking you away from the Google network of trackers and ads that sell off your data because that's their main business, and actually give you control of what the advertisers see. And you can also support your favorite sites and creators with Brave Rewards. Now, Brave Rewards, I will show you what this is all about. Now, Brave Rewards is an advertising platform built on the blockchain using Basic Attention Token. Now, what Basic Attention Token is about what it sounds like. It pays you for your attention that you spend on these advertisements. So, here you have your ads settings. You can earn Basic Attention Tokens by viewing ads in Brave. Ads presented are based on your interests as inferred from your browsing behavior. No personal data or browsing history ever leaves your browser. So you get anonymous ads based on what your browsing history is, but your data is never sold off to other companies. You can also earn these tokens and then use them to pay creators. You can set up either monthly contributions or you can even just pay them directly. So, for example, let me go to my own YouTube channel and I'll show you how that looks. So here I am on my channel's homepage, and if I go up here and click the Basic Attention Token icon that uses the Brave Rewards platform, you can see I am a Brave verified creator. And what that means is, and I just now noticed that my webcam might block this, so I'm going to actually move it. Just give me a second. Okay, so what this does is you can actually send a tip to a creator that is a Brave verified creator. So let's say you're browsing my videos and you decide you want to send me a couple of tokens. You click send a tip and it will come up with, I haven't exactly customized this, but you can if you are a creator, and you can from your wallet balance, you can send 1, 10, or 100 basic attention tokens, which 10 tokens amount to about $2.70 US. So it's not too expensive, but you earn it for free, so that's a great thing too. Basically, if you watch ads and then you contribute to your favorite creators, you can help them without paying into Google's ecosystem of intrusive and sometimes, I would say, downright almost illegal advertising practices, just to be honest. So, beyond that, what else can you do? Well, you have the option of browsing safer with unparalleled privacy and security features built right into the web browser. So here you will see the Brave shields. So let me just go to the YouTube homepage and show you just what I mean. So here we have the YouTube homepage, and if we click on the Brave shields or the Brave Defender, you will see that 16 items are blocked. 16 cross-site trackers for various websites that use your information to make money without your permission and without paying you for it. And you can also upgrade your connection to the secure HTTPS links. You can block scripts if you want, which I have not found the need to do. You can also block cookies and device recognition, as well as a few other things if you really feel like doing it. But basically, the biggest important thing is that the Brave browser allows you to protect your personal data from advertisers that would use that to make money for themselves and not pay you a single thing. I mean, seriously, it's awful the way that they do this. It is. And Brave is not in the personal data business. They say our servers neither see nor store your browsing data. It stays private on your device until you delete it, which means we will never sell your data to third parties. You can customize your shield settings like I showed you. Security is simple with the Brave browser. If you're willing to research, download, and install multiple extensions and carefully configure and correctly maintain settings in both the browser and extensions, you can match some of Brave's privacy and security. But Brave does all that work for you. So why not just go with the simpler thing? Defaults that matter. Okay, so these are the default settings that I have not changed since. And so it blocks the trackers, it upgrades your connection to secure, blocks cookies, and blocks device recognition. So you will never be targeted with ads that are intrusive or impinge on your data and your security. Never. And then with Brave Sync, you can use that to enable all of your devices to securely sync settings between them. So, but they do not have the keys to decrypt your data. That is yours alone. So with all of these things, you have ad blocking, fingerprinting prevention on mobile devices, cookie control, upgrading your links, blocking scripts, global shield defaults. You can clear your browsing data. Basically, you have all these features, and it's really nice to be able to have this because there are so many different advertisers out there that will steal your data and then use it to make money for themselves and do nothing for you. They will offer predatory ads. In fact, there was an issue just a couple of months ago with the Opera browser where people in China were being targeted with advertisements for insurance payday loans where they said the interest rate was super low, but when you sign in or sign up for one, it's actually like 10 times as much. So this is the kind of war you're fighting against these advertisers, against these predatory companies that just want you to sign up for their product and lose money while they gain it all. With this, you're taking back control of your data, your life, your finances, and your personal well-being by not being exposed to all of that every single moment that you're on the internet. So, with all of that, I invite you to download the Brave browser. There's a link in the top of the description below that allows you to go and not only download the browser, but also support me for free just for using the browser for 30 days. If you can do that, I would thank you so very much. If you use the browser for 30 days, I get a kickback and you get a better experience for your browsing needs and viewpoints. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, I'm Gregory from The Wandering Wind, and I will see you guys again next time.